Hi everyone, good morning. So in the previous class we discussed about the integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx equal to minus of pi by 2 into log 2, and the integral 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx equal to 0. Now today we are going to discuss about the reduction formulas. In the indefinite integrals, we have to know in the indefinite integral, we have to know the integral of, all of you listen here, the integral of sin power nx dx. What is the integral of sin power nx dx? We have to know that the minus sin power n minus n x into cos x, the sin power n minus 1x, the sin power n minus 1x into cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. Okay, this is the formula. Is it clear? The integral sin power nx dx, the integral sin power nx dx is the minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n plus in minus 2. n minus 1 upon n, in minus 2. Okay. Now this is here given that integral 0 to pi by 2 are the limits. 0 to pi by 2. Therefore now we are taking the 0 to pi by 2. But if this is the in minus 2 is there, the integral. In minus 2 is nothing but this is, we are taking in minus 2 is the sin power n minus 2 is there. So now we can write this is cos 90. We can substitute the upper limit. Cos 90 is the 0. 0 into some value is the 0. Okay. Therefore now we will come to the lower limit. Sin 0 is the 0. 0 power n minus 1 is the 0. That means 0 minus 0. When we substitute the upper limit, we will got 0. Then we can substitute the lower limit. This is also sin 0, 0. Therefore 0 minus 0 plus n minus 1 upon n in minus 2. Therefore this is the n minus 1 by n in minus 2. This is the integral of 0 to 90 sin power n minus 1x into dx. So how to find this value? So here we got this one, the integral, all of you listen here, the integral 0 to pi by 2, the sin power nx into dx, that is the n minus 1 by n in minus 2. Therefore here we can write instead of n, we can substitute the instead of n is the n minus 2, it will becomes n minus 1 by n. Therefore we have to take instead of n is the replaced by n is the n minus 2, then it is n minus 2 minus 1 upon n minus 2. Then it is, how to write this one, n minus of, how to write this one, n minus 3 by n minus 2. Therefore n minus 2 minus n is the n minus 4. How to find the n minus 4? This is the in. How to find the n minus 4 is, the n minus 4 is the n minus 4 minus 1, n minus 5, n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2 into in minus 4 is the n minus 4 minus 1 is the n minus 5. Now this is, we can substitute, n is replaced by n minus 4. Now this is n minus 4 minus 2 is the n minus 6. Is it clear? Now first n minus 1 by n. Now we can subtract minus 2, n minus 2, n minus 4, n minus 3, n minus 3 and so on. Okay. How to write this one and so on. Suppose n is a even. Suppose n is even. All of you write here. This is, you can write and so on. Suppose n is even. Suppose n we are taking some 4. 4 minus 2, 2. After that 2 minus 2, 0. n is even we got must be I0. We got must I0. That means I0, if n is even, all of you clear here? If n is even, suppose we are taking I4 or I6. I4, after that we got I2. Then you take I2, 2 minus 2, 0. If n is even, finally we got I0. I0 means sine power 0. Sine power 0 means 1. Any power 0 value is the 1. 1 into dx. The integrals are 0 to pi by 2. I0 equal to integral 1 into dx. Integral 1 into dx is the x, where the limits are 0 to pi by 2. Now we can write pi by 2 minus 0. This is the pi by 2. Now if n is 1, if n is even, we can write finally the pi by 2. The n is a even, we can put pi by 2. Therefore, that is n is even, we can write n minus by n minus 3 by n minus 2, and so you can write pi by 2. N is even. Suppose n is the odd. How to write the n is the odd? Therefore, we can write n is odd. Suppose if you are taking 3 minus 2, 1. I1 is the last. Suppose if you are taking 5 minus 2, 3. Then you can find I3. 3 minus 2, 1. Therefore, n is odd. Finally, we got I1. I1 means, what is the I1? If n is the odd, all of you listen here. If n is the odd, undoubtedly n is the odd, we got finally I1. I1 is the integral 0 to pi by 2. I1 is the sin x. We have to know that the integral of the sin x, is the minus of cos x. The integral of sin x is the minus of cos x. The limits are 0 to pi by 2. We have to know that here the I1 equals to minus of, first you can write minus outside. This is the cos of pi by 2 minus cos of 0. Now this is the I1 minus of cos 90 0. This is the minus 1, minus of minus plus 1. We got the last one is the 1. If n is the odd, we got 1. N is even, pi by 2. N is even, pi by 2. We can write n is odd. Finally we can write n is odd. N minus 1 by n. Now this is n minus 3 by n minus 2. N minus 5 by n minus 4, and so on 1. This is the formula. Okay. Similarly we can write the integral of. So similarly we can write the integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx into dx. The integrally we can write the integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx is the same one, n minus 1 upon n minus 3 by n minus 2. We can subtract minus 2. Therefore, n minus 2. Now, minus 3 minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4, and so on. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. If n is even, n is odd, we can write same. The n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4. Finally, we got 2 by 3 into 1. This is for n odd, that is for n even. This is for n even, this is n odd. Okay, these are also same formulas. Okay, now we are taking the one example. The integral of, how to find the integral of, all of you listen here, how to find the integral of 0 to pi by 2. The integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 6x dx. Just now we take the form 6 minus 1, first you can write 5 by 6. After that 5 minus 2 is the 3. 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. Then you can write this is 3 minus 2 1. This is the 4 minus 2 2. When n is even, we can write pi by 2. Therefore, now this is, we can write here 3 1s are 3 2s are. Now this is 5 into 5 5 pi. 5 5. Okay, is it clear? 4 into 2 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are is the 32. How to find the value of integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 5x into dx. The first our observation is the integral 0 to or pi by 2. When it is the integral 0 to pi by 2, just now we find the 5 minus 4, n minus 1. 5 minus 1 is the 4. 4 by 5. 4 by 5. After that, 4 minus 2 is the 2. 5 minus 2 is the 3. Then you can write 1. This is the 4 into 2, 8 by 15 is the value of sine power 5x. This is the value of cos power 6x between the integrals, between the limits 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Now, the in equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx, then in plus in minus 2 equal to 1 upon n minus 1. We have to know that, in the indefinite integral, the integral tan power nx dx, it is we are taking in. The integral tan power nx dx is the, we can write tan power n minus 1x upon n minus 1 minus of in minus 2. In that case, we have to know that the tan power n minus 2x into tan square x, the tan square x we can written as secant square x minus 1. After multiplication, we have to take, is it clear? How to prove that this is tan power n minus 2x into tan square x dx. Minus 2 plus 2 are cancelled. Therefore, the tan power n minus 2x, the tan square x is the, you can write secant square x minus 1 into dx. This is, you can write tan power n minus 2x secant square x dx minus of tan power n minus 2x. Okay, this is clear. Now we can write, this is when you are taken the tan x is the t, secant square x dx is the dt. Therefore, t power n minus 2 is the t power n minus 1 upon n minus 1. This is nothing but in minus 2. This is the proof. Okay. Now, here, when we can apply the limits 0 to pi by 2, this is 0 to pi by 4 is given that, 0 to pi by 4. Tan 45 is the 1. Tan 45 is the 1. 1 power n minus 1 is the 1 upon n minus 1. Is it clear? The tan of 45 is the 1. 1 power n minus 1 is the 1 power anything is the 1. Whole by n minus 1 minus the tan x is the 0. 0 power n minus 1 is the 0. 0 by n minus 1, 0 by n minus 1, 0. This is the in minus 2 is in. Therefore, now we can write the in minus is sending other side plus n minus 2 equal to 1 by n minus 1. Okay. This is the in plus in minus 2. Okay. Therefore, now how to write this one? Now the in can be written as, all of you listen here. The in can be written as 1 by n minus 1 minus of n minus 2. Okay. Therefore, now we can write here, this can be written as n minus 1 minus of, how to write the n minus 2. Now here we are substituting the replaced by n is n minus 2. We are taking n equal to n minus 2 then we got in minus 2 equal to 1 by n minus 2 minus 1 is the n minus 3 minus of n minus 2 is the n minus 4. Now this is minus of n minus 3 minus n minus 4. Now we can write this is, how to write this one? 1 upon n minus 1 minus n minus 3 plus n minus 4. Now how to write this one? 1 upon n minus 1, 1 upon n minus 3. Now we are substituting, replaced by n is the n minus 4. This is the n minus 4. N minus 4 minus 1 is the n minus 5 minus of, this is n minus of 6. Is it clear? Therefore n minus 1, n minus 3 plus n minus 5. How to write this one is n minus 7, n minus 7 minus of minus n minus 8. Similarly, we can write the in equals to, similarly we can write finally in equal to 1 upon n minus 1, 1 upon n minus 3, n minus 5, after that n minus 7 plus and so on. Finally we got I0 or I1. I0 or I1. I0 or I1. Okay. Therefore, here the I0 is the tan power 0. I0 is the tan power 0, 1. 1 into dx is the x. X, that means 0 to pi by 4. This is the value of I0. The value of I0 equal to integral of 0 to pi by 4, 1 into dx. 1 into dx is the x. 0 to pi by 4. Now this is the pi by 4 minus 0. Therefore when you got I0, that means that is the pi by 4. Okay, is it clear? Therefore undoubtedly we are taking I0, that means pi by 4. Suppose if you are getting I1 is the 0 to pi by 4. I1 is the tan x. Integral of tan x, we know that log mod of secant x 0 to pi by 4. Log mod of secant x. Therefore, how to write this one? This is the log mod of secant of pi by 4 minus secant of 0, 1. Secant of pi by 4 is the root 2. Is it clear? The pi by 4 value is the root 2. Secant 0 is the 1. Cos 0, 1. Secant 0 is the 1. Root 2 you can write 2 power 1 by 2. Log a power m is the m log a. M is the here 1 by 2 log 2. Log 1 is the 0. Therefore here the I1 means tan power 1x. The integral tan x dx. The integral tan x dx is the log mod of secant x. Secant 45 root 2. Secant 0, 1. Log 1 value 0. This is the I1 value. 1 by 2 log 2. Okay na? Okay. Evaluate the integral 0 to 45 tan power 4x into dx. Tan power 4x into dx. Just now we discussed in equal to tan power nx dx. That is the form 1 by n minus 1 minus 1 by n minus 3. All of you listen here. That means 1 by n minus 5 minus and so on. I0 or I1. So in generally the formula is in plus in minus 2 equal to 1 by n minus 1. After the simplification we got this one. So we are taking the n equal to 4 here. When n equal to 4, this is we got I4, I2. Now the required is the I4. Then you can substitute the I2. 2 minus 2 is the 0. Just now we discussed the value of I0. The value of I0 is the pi by 4. I1 is the 1 by 2 log 2. Is it clear? This is the I0. I0 means tan power 0 is the 1 dx. 1 dx is the x. Apply the limits 0 to pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus 0. The integral of I1 is the integral of tan x dx. Integral of tan x is the log mod of secant x. Log mod of secant x, we can apply the limits 0 to pi by 4. Log secant pi by 4 minus log secant 0. Secant 0 is the 1. Log 1 is the 0. Secant pi by 4 is the root 2. Root 2 is the 2 power 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 log 2. Now here we have to find the integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power 4. Now this is, first you can write 4 minus 1 3. After that minus, we can write 3 minus 2 is the 1. Just you can write the only for the positive value. When we are taking 3, 4 is the, when n is the 4, when n is the 4 here, 4 minus 1 3. 3 minus 2 1. Again 1 minus 2 we got negative. We have to take up to the positive values. Then you can write 1 by 3 minus plus. Here we got, just now we discussed, when n is even, undoubtedly we got I0. I0 value is the 5 by 4. Now this is, you can write 3 ones are 3. 1 minus 3 is the minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4 is the value of 0 to pi by 4 tan power 4x dx. Okay, this is the minus of 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4. So here the In, what is the In? In minus 2 is the 1 by n minus 1. When n is the 5, that is our required is the I5. This is the I3. After we are taking the I3, then it will becomes I1. The value of I1 is the 1 by 2 log 2. 1 by 2 log 2. Therefore, we can write, if the n equals to 5, that implies 5 minus 1 is the 4. Now 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, after suppose 5 minus 3 is also 2. We can separate the only 2. That is 1 by 4. 5 minus 1 4. 4 minus 2 2. After that 2 minus 2 is becomes 0. Don't take 0 and the negative numbers. We can take n equals to 5. 5 minus 1 4. 4 minus 2 2. After then plus. Then you can write plus. What is the value of I1? I1 is the 1 by 2 log 2. Now we are taking the LCM is the 4 here. 4 1 here, 1 minus of 2 2s are. 1 minus 2 is the minus of 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into log 2. This is the required answer of the integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power 5x dx. Okay. The In 0 integral 0 to pi by 4 secant power nx dx equal to root 2 power n minus 2 by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 upon n minus 1 into In minus 2. We know that the integral secant power nx dx is the secant power n minus 2x into tan x by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 into In minus 2. In minus 2. Now we can apply the limits 0 to pi by 4. Here 0 to pi by 4. We know that when you can apply the upper limit, the tan 45 1, secant 45 is the root 2. That means root 2 power n minus 2 upon n minus 1 minus when we can take the lower limit, when it comes to lower limit, the tan 0 is the 0. Tan 0 0. 0 into this value 0. 0 by anything 0. Therefore, this value minus 0 is this one plus n minus 2 upon n minus 1 In minus 2. This is the answer. Root 2 power n minus 2. Root 2 power n minus 2 by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 into in minus 2. Okay. Now suppose n is the even, suppose n 4 minus 2 2, after that 2 minus 2 0. I0 is the secant power 0 1 into dx is the x. That means pi by 4, the value of I0 is the pi by 4. How to find the I1? I1 is the secant power 1. Integral of secant x is the log mod of secant x plus tan x, or the log mod of tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now evaluate the integral 0 to pi by 4. Now find the integral, find the integral 0 to pi by 4 secant power 5x into dx. The integral secant power 5x into dx. How to evaluate the integral 0 to 45 secant power 5x into dx. Now this is we are taking if n equal to 5. If n equal to 5, that means when we are taking the n, this is the I5. Therefore I5 equal to, what is the formula of In? We have to know that In equal to root 2 power n minus 2 by n minus 1, n minus 2 by n minus 1 into In minus 2. n minus 2 by n minus 1 into In minus 2. Now the required is I5. Now the required is I5. That means the root 2 whole power, this can be 5 minus 2 is the 3. Now this is the 5 minus 1 is the 4. After that again 5 minus 2 is the 3. 5 minus 1 is the 4. We can write here the 5 minus 2 is the 3. Now after that this is, you can write, this can be written as root 2 is the 2 root 2, yes, by 4. Okay, 2 root 2 by 4. Now this is the 3 by 4. How to find the I3? I3 can be written as, how to find the I3? Put n equal to 3, substituting n equal to 3. Root 2 power 3 minus 2 is the 1. Here also the 3 minus 1 is the 2. Now this is plus 3 minus 2 is the 1. Now 3 minus 1 is the 2. This is the I1. Yes, we have to find the I3. I3 means n we are taking the 3. 3 minus 1 is the 2. Here 3 minus 2 1. 3 minus 2 1. 3 minus 1 is the 2. 3 minus 2 is the 1. Now is it clear? We can write this is 2 root 2 by 4, or you can write root 2 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Then you can write this is 3 into root 2, 3 root 2 by 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 ja is the 8. Now we can write this is 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. 4 2 ja 8. I1 is there. So now we can taking the LCM is here 8. LCM is the 8 here. When we are taking the LCM is 8, 2 4s are 8. Now this is the 4 root 2 plus 3 root 2 by 8. 3 by 8 I1. How to find the value of I1? I1 is the here. The I1 we can written as the I1 is the 0 to pi by 4. We can take n equal to 1 secant x dx. I0 we know that I0 is the pi by 4. When we are taking n equal to 1 secant x, the integral of secant x, we know that the integral of secant x is the log mod of secant x plus tan x. The limits are 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. Now we can substituting the upper limit. Log mod of secant pi by 4 is the root 2. Log mod of secant 45 is the root 2. Tan 45 is the 1. minus of here. This is the secant 0 is the 1, tan 0 is the 0. Is it okay? Now we are substituting the 45, secant 45 root 2, tan 45 1, minus secant 0 is the 1, tan 0 is the 0. Now the value of log 1 is the 0. Now this is the log mod of root 2 plus 1. This is the answer. The log mod of root 2 plus 1 is the answer. Now we can write this is the 3 by 8 into log of root 2 plus 1. Log of root 2 plus 1. Then you can write finally the 7 root 2. The 7 root 2. Is it clear? The 7, 4 plus 3, 7 root 2 plus 3 log of root 2 plus 1 upon 8 is the answer. Okay. The LCM we are taking the 8. This can be 7 root 2 plus 3 into log root 2 plus 1 upon 8. This is the value of integral 0 to pi by 4 secant power 5x into dx. Okay. Now this is the very important okay, for only for computative. So here the integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power mx dx. First we are begin with m minus 1. First you can write m minus 1, minus 2, that is minus 3, minus 3 minus 2, minus 5, and so on, either 2 or 1. Then you can begin with n, that is n minus 1 into n minus 3, n minus 5, and so on, 2 or 1, upon sum of these m plus n, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, and so on, 2 or 1. Finally, into we are taking the k. If k is a pi by 2, if k is a pi by 2, only for both m and n are the even only. If the m and n are both are even, we have to take the k equal to pi by 2. And at least one of m and n are odd, then the k value equal to 1. Suppose m is odd, n is even. That is the first case. Second case is n is odd, m is n is, first case is m is even, n is odd. Here n is odd. Suppose m is odd, n is even. That is second case. Fourth case is the both are the odd. In that case, we have to take the only k value 1. Both are even, we have to take k equal to pi by 2. This is the called the Wallis formula. Okay, now here the proof is not necessary. Okay, understand? So how to get this proof? We have to know that in the indefinite integral, the integral of sin power mx into cos power nx dx, we have to substitute the upper and lower limit. We got this condition. So how to find the values? So how to evaluate? Is it clear? Now the integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6x into cos power 4x dx. Okay, first we are taking the this one 6 minus 1. First you can write 5. Is it clear? After that 5 minus 2 3, 3 minus 2 1. Is it clear how to write this one? First you can write 6 minus 1, that is m minus 1, that is 3. Sorry, 6 minus 1 is the 5. 5 minus 2, 3 minus 2. Then you can write the n minus 1. We are getting up to either 2 or 1. That is the 4 minus 1 is the 3. 3 minus 2 is the 1. So then you can write here the m plus n is the 10. 8. 10 minus 2 is the 8. 8 minus 2 6. 4. 4 minus 2 2. Both are even, we can take the pi by 2. So in this case, all of you listen here, the 5 ones are 5 twos are. At the same time 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore that is 3 into pi is the 3 pi upon. Here we are taking 8 into 4. 8 into 4 is the 32. 32 2s are 64. 64 2s are 128. 128 2s are 256. 256 into 2, 512 is the value. 3 pi by 512. Okay, right. The sine power 5x, cos power 4x. One of them odd. Now the 5 minus 1 is the 4. 4 minus 2, 2. That is enough. We are getting up to 2 or 1. Now this is the 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2 is the 1. The total 5 plus 4 is the 9. 7, 5, 3, 1. Okay. Then you can put 1. One of them odd you can write. Finally you are taking 1. Both are even, we are taking the pi by 2. This is called the Wallis form. Therefore, 3 is a cancel. 4 into 2 is the 8 by 315. That is 9 7 are 63 into 5. This is 5 3s are 15, 60. That is 315 is the answer. Okay. 315 is the answer. Okay. Now the another one is integral 0 to pi by 2. The integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 4x. The sine power 4x into cos power 5x dx. How to write this one? All of you listen here. This is the 4. We can write 4 minus 1 is the 3. 3 minus 2 is the 1. Similarly, you can write 5 minus 1 is the 4. Now after that 4 minus 2, 2. Then you can write this is the 9, this is the 7, this is the 5, this is the 3, 1. 9 minus 2, 7 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1. 3 is a cancel. Again this is the 8 by 315. 8 by 315. Okay. After that we can write both are odd. Suppose both are odd. How to find the both are odd? Suppose the integral, okay, the integral 0 to pi by 2, the sine power 5x, okay, the sine power 5x into cos power 5x, the sine power 5x into cos power 5x dx. How to write this is, we can write first the 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 2, 2. This is also 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Upon 5 plus 5 is the 10. So 5 plus 5 is the 10. Then you can write 8, 6, 4, 2. Therefore 4, 2 are cancelled. Here also 4 into 2 is the 8. 4 2s are 8, 8, 8 cancel. Now this is the 1 by 60 is the answer. 1 by 60. Is it clear? Both are odd. This is one of them odd. This is both are even. When the both are odd, again we are taking the into 1. This is also into 1. The k value is the 1. This is the Wallis formula. Is very important. Okay. So find the integral 0 to 1 x power 3 by 2 under root of 1 minus x. Here we are taking x equal to sine square theta or cos square theta. Suppose we are taking x equal to, let x equal to sine square theta. The dx equal to, the derivative of sine square theta is 2 into sine theta. Derivative of sine theta is cos theta. Derivative of theta is the d theta. Okay. Dx equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta into d theta. Now we have to substitute the x equal to 0, the lower limit. That implies sine square theta equal to 0. Sine theta equal to 0. Therefore, sine theta equal to sine 0. That implies theta equal to again get 0. Now the upper limit, sine square theta equal to x is there. The x we are taking 1. Therefore, this is a sine theta's root 1 is the 1. Sine theta 1 is the value of sine pi by 2. Theta equal to pi by 2. when we are taking the x equal to sine square theta, then also we change the limits lower and upper. Therefore, we are getting here the lower limit we got 0, upper limit that is the 1 that is the pi by 2. The x will we take sine square theta, whole power is there 3 by 2. Under root of x is the sine square of theta. What is the dx is 2 into sine theta into cos theta into d theta. Now it can be written as, we can write the constant at the beginning of the integral. 0 to pi by 2, 2 cancel. This is the sine cube theta. 1 minus sine square theta is the cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta, cos square theta, square root cancel. This is the cos theta only. 1 minus sine square, cos square, square root cancel. What are the remaining there? Sine theta into cos theta. We can write the 2 at the beginning. Now this is 0 to pi by 2 sine power 4 theta. Okay, sine power 4 theta. Cos into cos is the cos square theta d theta. Here the sine cube into sine power 1 is sine power 4. Cos into cos theta is the cos square theta. Now we can write, this is, all of you listen here. Just now we discussed the Wallis formula is, the 4 minus 1 is the 3. Okay, 4 minus 1 is the 3. 3 minus 2 is the 1. This is the first one. Then you can write 4 minus 1 is the 3 minus 2. This is the n minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. In the first attempt we have to get 1. Okay, n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1. After that we can write 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is the 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Both are even. We have to take only the pi by 2. Both are even. We have to take only pi by 2. Then you can write here 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja. Therefore, here we are looking, all of you here, 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. 2 cancel. Now here the value is the pi. Okay now? Pi, okay, pi, this is the 4 into 2, 8. 8 2 jar is the 16. Okay, this is the pi by 16 is the value of this one. Okay, understand? Okay, this is the value of pi by 16. How to find this one? X, we are taking the sine square theta. Then differentiating with respect to x, we got the dx is 2 sine theta cos theta. Then also we change the upper limit and the lower limit. Then we got the pi by 16 by taking the Wallis formula. Okay, this is the today. This is today. Okay, I am requesting you all practice the all models of the reduction formulas. Okay, tomorrow I will continue the some more models in the Wallis method. Thank you all.